excited?
Yes.
How excited are you?
Very.
Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
100.
100? And after cleaning, we are going to walk with our elephant. So every day we are walking with our elephant in the morning time and in the afternoon time. We've got over here.
Okay.
If you throw on the pile, it will be touch here. So just throw.
Okay.
Take it, yes. Pick it up. Over.
Over.
Is it over? No, it's coming back. No, you can stay. Over.
Okay.
Ah, perfect.
Like a game.
It
Yeah.
is like a game. So, see? If you like, you can throw. Advance.
Happy honeymoon.
One hand is there.
I know, show off. Loving it. What's going on?
Gag reflex.
It's don't burn when you bend it. Yeah, right? Oh, look! Oh my god, that's so beautiful! Hello! They're beautiful.
Beans? Onions. Yes, we are going to. So we went and we fed the elephant this morning, took it on a walk, her on a walk, and now we are cooking.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, very busy today here.
That's amazing.
Are you doing that?
Just breaking the beans.
Breaking the beans?
Do I toss them in the bowl? And toss that? Yeah, okay. The coconut juice show.
Take a seat like this. This is the traditional way. This one is a new one.
Okay. I want traditional.
You can take a seat like this. You can hold the coconut like this and like that. So this one is a big sharp blade. Little bit sharp. So careful with the blade. You can hold like this and do it forward.
Okay, forward. Okay.
Yes, to forward. See? It's scraping.
Okay.
Don't do it very hardly. So you can do it very smoothly. See?
Okay.
It's very easy.
You make it look so easy.
When you sit in here, man, could you come take a seat here like there, man? Okay. Yeah. You can anywhere like you can bend the arm here. Okay.
Okay, so again.
Make sure you
Like this.
like this. Yes. Can I have the
Yeah.
this one? Two forward. See?
Okay, and then.
Two forward. Yes, right.
Like that?
Yes, do it. Yes, got it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
You can do it. Take it.
Let's find that one. I will just make it.
අයියේ පින්නේ කොට දෙන්නකෝ. අයියේ පින්නේ කොට දෙන්න නැත්නම් මේක දෙකට කපලා දෙන්නකෝ. ආර ලීගෙන තියෙන.
Time for Kumari to eat again. So that's wow.
Here, 50% of elephant dung and 50% of paper and water. This is the mixture. Now here you can see how they make papers. Here they use that mold and she keeps it between this frame. See?
ada පාට කළුද? කළුද? පාට පේපර් එකේ. කළුනේ.
Wow.
Now she releases into the water and they add maybe 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups. And she just here and there. Here inside just normal water, not any harmful chemicals.
Okay. That's amazing.
And after that they use cotton cloth to cover that color, Sally.
Yeah. I like the orange. That's great.
Those are guillotine machines.
We were just at a elephant dung factory where they take all of the elephant poo from this area of Sri Lanka, and they basically put it through a 4-step process in which they turn it into beautiful paper products. So you get all these books. Postcards.
2,100
Matt has purchased a book and a gift for Bella, and they gave us these honeymoon hearts made out of elephant shit.
I'm gonna cherish them forever. Your pocket.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
This for Bella.
Yeah?
This for my son.
Cute.
Mama elephant and her baby. So you're a spoiled baby.
Now she's 47, now 63. Oh, she's...
apa bodoh berani? Ada yang apa? Ya, bila Pak? Beri?
No?
Beri?
Come on, girl. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Woo! Good job.
I think you
Dinner
can't
time.
understand what he says. Maybe next month I will have to feed you.
We left the Alpha Freedom Project. So sad. It was honestly an amazing day. A day that we'll honestly never forget. Kumari, the elephant, is such a beautiful animal. Amazing energy about the elephant, about the property, and the staff that work there. It's amazing. The whole family there is absolutely beautiful. What they do for Kumari. Kumari's honestly like a princess and queen there, which is so amazing. I love that. We are with our driver to head over to the Tea and Eco Lodge, probably around like 20 minutes outside of Kandy. But we are taking a quick stop because there are so many bats, so Josh wants to fly his drone above it just to kind of capture that. It's insane.